We're here at the old St. Louis town site in Sierra County, California. Nothing much left here. Hydraulic mining has devastated this area. When I post this video, I have an old picture of St. Louis that I shall show you. There's not much here but some debris and a few cellar holes, and that's about it. Showed you the cemetery, which is pretty cool. After this, we're off to Queen City, the site of Queen City, which was another gold rush mining town. That road right up there will take you to the ghost town of Holland Flats, which we've already went to, so we're not going to hit that today because looking at daylight. I was thinking about going back there and re-exploring it, find the second cemetery that we didn't find. All we found was a Catholic cemetery the first time. But this area is where the old town of St. Louis once stood. And you know, by looking at those headstones in that graveyard, it dates back pretty far. 1850s, 1860s, and it survived all the way up into the 1900s, early 1900s. But basically now when you come up here, all you see is just where they destroyed the town site with hydraulic monitors and what have you. That possibly could be hydraulic, something to do with mining, or a cellar hole. Don't know. There's this side of the road. Hopefully we can find more remnants over at Queen City. That's down there by Port Wide, which is another one that another hydraulic mining town that we explored. Let me right here, look. Square deal. We're in the thick of things here. This town is devastated. There's some more random shit laying on the ground. I don't know if this is a dig pit, most likely. There's some broken glass all over. If you look real close, rusty metal. An old trail, so it could have been a street in the town at one time. Some old crap right here. Yeah, this is definitely early. Yeah, bottle top, look at that thing. Old jug or something, bunch of other debris. No idea, maybe a wood burning stove. Top of a bottle here. Old anchovy or sardine can. Bottle top. Not much left. With just debris and cellar holes. It's almost like reminiscent of Silver Mountain City over there in Alpine County. Some old tubing that kind of something to do with hydraulic mining, water draining ditch or whatever. You just gotta go out and look for these places. They're all part of history. Nevada and California history. This one happens to be in California. We could go up there on the Howland Flat, or we could go do our original plan and try to find Queen City. I think we're gonna go try to find Queen City. The old town of St. Louis had I think I said in the last video, but it had a pretty good population at one time. We live in the high desert, but we love. Here's that, whatever that is. Explore these old sites in California because it's intertwined, all this stuff. Don't know, cellar holes maybe. But the way the lay of the land looks to me, this whole town they wiped it out in the search of gold. Hydraulic mining gold and digging tunnels and test pits and what have you. Some of that tailing, shitload of it. There's some lingering snow patches down there. Beautiful country. If I could move here and build some place to live by myself, I would do it in a frickin' heartbeat. Look how they destroyed the landscape with those hydraulic monitors. It's part of history, but it's not cool. Hydraulic mining should never be allowed to be done again, in my opinion. Huh? St. Louis, California. Yes, cellar hole, possibly. Not really sure on this place. What'd you find? Say what? Oh, rattlesnake?
Yeah, I didn't even see the guy because I came up this way looking at this thing.
Where's he at?
Down this side right here.
Oh, he's long gone?
No, he's right here. It's kind of close because it's kind of touching with the stick.
Is it a rattlesnake or a garter snake?
See, right there. Got a couple good pictures of his ass.
Wait, where's he?
Right there.
Oh yeah, he's pissed.
Look, if I walked this way between those trees and he was right down here.
Oh, he's beautiful too. Northern Pacific.
That's try to get some.
Hey buddy, I know, bud.
Yeah, mad.
We're not gonna hurt you. Trust me on that.
Yeah, if only they could fucking communicate, you know.
We're good. We're good. We're all good, bro.
I don't know how close to get.
Fucking A. You can get close, man.
Remember they got that whole like fucking striking distance thing?
Yeah, I know. I'm good.
Try to get a picture of his face.
Hey, buddy. I know. Word made in your hold. I know.
Well, good thing. See.
I'm sorry, bud.
This picture fucking.
Keep him there, awesome.
I've been keeping an eye on it so like
He's pretty. Look at him. God, I love those animals.
I know.
People just kill these things for no reason, and it makes me sick.
You know how they say, oh, rattlesnakes bad? Like I said, I walked in between these two trees. This one here, right, the one behind. He was coming this way, and I heard what the fuck is that? I'm like, fucking way, like right there. I'm like, oh shit.
You find any other ruins down there?
I found two big ass holes the holes down there.
Don't know, like buildings? Yeah.
Right.
It looks like this place was destroyed by hydraulic modeling.
Yeah. This is something I found, you know, like, a little piece of gold.
I gotta talk to this boy after a dope video.
You could tell he's kind of like slow, but he's just putting his tongue out really slow. Yeah. Look, if I actually moved him.
Well, he's lethargic.
Yeah, I moved him with the
You got a bunch of pictures of him, right? That's our first one for the year. Usually we see these things a lot, these rattlesnakes. But we never harm them. Because they're not doing it, we're in their area. There's some old cans. Basically, this is all that's left of St. Louis. It's sad, but reality of greed. Same thing going down right now with the COVID-19 lockdown is all about greed. Goes